about to check out.
Yes, sir.
Ready to board the ship. The ship. So we have our luggage here.
Hey, yes.
Oh,
Hey.
wrong one.
Hey.
My luggage, Jumel's luggage,
Hey.
their luggage. Sino ka dyan? Bulag. Ah, zombie! Yung isa, hindi pa siya tapos. I think she needs like at least 2 hours to finish. Yan o, still not done.
No. Hoy, sinagkad ng cheese. Grabe naman kayo. Guys, ang dirty ng...
Bye, hotel. Thank you for the night.
For the loud night.
Let's go. Go.
This is backpackers.
So right now, guys, we're looking for food before we go to the ship of the sea. We saw this Filipino restaurant sa kababayan natin.
Hey, kababayan.
Philippines. So we're gonna go there.
Yes.
하필이면 끌리지도 않았는데 눈이 마주친 순간 빨개진 너의 얼굴이
Hello.
아직 날 좋아하나
Dami yung edges, guys.
Just make sure that everything is
Itong una. Sa front.
What's the sabi after?
Guys, this is really, is it really?
Really? Is it? Is it? Really? Really, is it? Yes.
Really, this is it.
Why are you my bum bum? This is...
Yes. Thank you. Wow.
Our favorite rocket ship.
Wow. Wow. Wow, we're in a building. Wow. Reveal. Wow.
Ay, JP, ang bed mo! Uy,
Oh, it's a pull-up bed.
Nicole, we have so much
Yeah.
space!
Oh, there's a pull-up bed.
Pwedeng tatlo tayo dito sa isang tao.
No. It's actually nice.
Kasi na.
Laptop.
It's not bad. I think because the picture,
How do you...
yeah, you just push. Oh, this is the gym. This is the gym. Ganda. Imagine your view is the sea. Maganda.
Uy, JP, nakan na tayo.
So guys, we're just touring the whole cruise ship and what we're gonna do for the next 8 days that we're in the ship. But so far we are liking it. We like the amenities already. Wow. Pwede ba?
Hindi, may isa pa. Ito, tapos may labas.
May isa pa, may sa labas. Yeah.
Guys, wanna get food?
Yeah, otherwise I'm gonna fall.
This is the second pool, the other pool. Wow. Ang sakit sa skin pag naligo ka.
Sige ka, magkakasunburn tayo dito.
Kailan tayo magsuswimming?
Sa gabi na.
Waiting for the drinks.
First meal is alcohol.
First order of the day.
Alcohol.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
See you later.
It's good. I like it. No, it's good. Cheers. Kuya, mag-hi ka sa vlog ko. Hi, kuya. Hindi ako famous pero
Magiging kayo.
magiging. Thank you po.
Thank you po. What is this?
Food.
Guava juice. Suma? Orange. Hindi guava. Guava juice.
Wow, kuya, thank you. Thank you so much. Ang sarap. Sarap po. Thank you. Balik kami. Jumal, ang sarap. Masarap. Wow! Gonna go eat dinner. We're gonna go eat and then we're gonna go upstairs to our room. Myself. Yeah, I am a weirdo. So ano ba? Or do? Mamaya.
You know, if you guys were faster, we would have been here. Sino kayo matagal?
And what's the use of a book without pictures or conversations?
Oh, but my dear, we're under the party started. So you better get this party started.
I got the feeling that I'm winning tonight. Well, I'm ready.
Good morning. Day 2.
Day 3 na?
Day 2 pa.
The cruise.
We're gonna go get food. But if we have food,
Kasi pinapanood nyo.
Do they have fish?
because it's fun. Go, Jego, go.
Do they have fish?
Off we go.
Oh, I'm lying down, it feels warm.
Beautiful. Hi guys, we are getting ready to go to the pool. Spread it, spread it, spread it.
Well, you
Hey guys, we're gonna go to the pool. Let's go to the beach. Beach, let's get it away. They say what they gonna say.
play tayo eh.
Pool. Cutesies. Thank you.
Thanks, Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya. Okay.
Kuya Jade.
Thank you, Kuya Jade. Kung gusto niyo mga Pilipino. Guys, if you want to get good drinks, please go to Jade. He is the supervisor of the bar. Hi guys, we are on our way to our dinner reservation.
Hi, guys.
So it's currently 7:28 and our reservation is at 7:30 because somebody
Ba't may nag-react already? Ba't may nag-react?
takes her precious time getting ready. Anyways, see you there. Thank you. Ikaw daw gusto niya.
Honestly, that's probably the hardest.
What do you guys want to drink?
Yes.
The Filipino town.
Oh yeah.
Wilson.
Batterson.
Filipino ng population.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Masarap yun. Thank you. I love this burger.
Yummy.
For the...
Watermelon salad with California and lemon dressing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Fun.
Cheers para sa first timer.
Cheers.
Oh, yeah, smooth. Ooh. Limited to
Ano ba yan?
oxtail. What taste the ox? You want with sauce? Here's the sauce. It is some sort of mayonnaise sauce.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Labas tayo na Johnny.
Jomel. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday, Sex Mom Jomel. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
May vlogger pa rin
Wala niyo ng pesa.
Kailangan ko ng pera for... Kuya, mag-hi ka.
Hello, follower!
Ayan.
Manila.
Kuya, ikaw muna. Ganun ka, kuya. Ikaw muna, kuya. Eh! Hindi ako famous, kuya. Oh, sarap. Pwede na, kuya. Day 3. Day 3. We're gonna get breakfast, although it's a bit late. But it will do. I love the wind. Wow. Kuya, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Kuya, thank you so much. Kuya, thank you. Ikaw muna. Day 3 of us going for dinner.
Good evening.
Hello.
Parang biro naman. Iba naman po dito. Ay, maglaro na po ng tapos, pag na na lang ito. Sige po. Or pwede. Pero sanay na.
Nasanay na.
Sanay na.
Yeah.
Starting naman tomorrow, 4 days na tayo. Tapos, yes, two 4 days, plus 1 CD, and then yung Kokokay. Sa Kokokay, na-enjoy nyo siya.
Sorry. Did we get all octopus? We did.
They all got octopus.
Ito po hindi na lang po kayo para...
Ay, thank you po. Thank you so much. How's the food, Jamal?
I really love it. No. Pinakamasarap Cancun. Oh yeah. The octopus.
Let's eat.
Of course, everyone does. Try natin ang kanin. Okay, tapusin muna yan.
Perfect.
Naka-perfect.
I like it.
And one more.
Thank you for the rice. Ay, grabe talaga.
Ano ka kayo din?
Napaghahalatan kayo, guys.
The dessert that I'm getting is the Galaparato.
That's the dessert.
Mga basta. How do you say it? It is.
Say it.
Galactobureko.
One more time, one more time.
Galactobureko.
Two more time. Two more time. Two more time. Two more time.
Galactobureko.
May T yan, may T.
There's a T.
Silent T yan.
Galactoburatko.
So, ang laki ng...
Right, next one, number 4 is what fruit, or rather what type of fruit is depicted on top of the men's singles trophy at Wimbledon? Any fans of tennis?
AG.
RA.
Who received the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress for her role in 12 Years a Slave?
Mga kaibigan, welcome to Face to Face! Our first one is Trish Ame from this side with her best friend Nicole. I'm the host and this is JP. I'll be JP's side for now kasi apat lang tayo. Ang issue po ay nagka-argue po sila. Ang question is, kung mag-aaway, tatalikod ka ba? Okay lang ba na tatalikod yung taong na nag-away sa'yo? In other words, aalis muna daw. Featuring Summer Avenue. Ano po nangyari, ma'am?
So yun nga, we had this argument, and then he like, I don't know, bigla na siya nag-shut down, left the fucking door, and then,
Shut the door?
no, it is not, he's just like, lock mo yung pinto. By the time I lock it, this guy left. And then, I was like, okay, maybe he's gonna text. No text the entire night. And so, wala na, I just didn't do anything.
Ayun po mga kaibigan, nakasay po natin ang kumpleto natin dito. Ito na po, ito po yung special guest natin po. Ang special guest natin po ay yung, not the only one, but yung jowa ng nakasal yun po. Ano po masasabi niyo po doon?
Yeah, before that, parang we were driving. As I was running on the wheel. I understand naman yung side niya kasi...
Wait lang, nasa bahay ba kayo? Nasa car?
What's that?
Nasa car kayo?
I was driving.
We were done. We went home.
So nasa bahay yung nag-walk out?
Yeah.
So for context, si JB dapat mag-stay sa bahay mo?
No.
And then nag-walk out. Pero dito sa
We were driving to go to my house.
Okay.
We chill there, yeah.
Okay. Pero dapat si JB mag-stay.
Yeah.
Not walk out. Okay. Ba't ka nag-walk out? Ang question is, ba't ka nag-walk out?
Nasigawan ako. Like, casual lang ako. Like, parang gusto ko lang pagpahangin.
Madaming hangin.
I know, yun nga. And then I couldn't communicate. Like, yung sabi ko, like how I
Na-trigger siya daw kasi
trigger lang ako.
sumigaw. Okay, wait lang po. Wait lang. Okay. Kalma. Ikaw naman mo, ma'am.
Yung context
Ma'am,
ng sigaw ko,
ba't ka po sumigaw?
kasi we were driving, right? And I made him drive because he wanted to drive. So,
Next song,
basically,
please,
that
DJ.
time, alam mo yung pag-left drive, you have to stop after the crosswalk.
Pero, ba't ka sumigaw? That's not to be, I think you give the example of why. Pero ba't ka sumigaw?
Yun na nga, sumigaw ako kasi I was like panicking as well.
Yeah, I'm a
We
new
could have
driver
been
kasi.
we could have been in a accident. And at first I said go, and he didn't go. So I just like keep raising my finger like go. Kasi he's not doing
So,
what
you,
I'm saying.
yung sigaw mo is go. So it's not on purpose to sigaw, it's because of the situation. Okay.
Yeah, she didn't mean it, but then...
Okay, so did you know that she
No, I
didn't
know
mean
she
it?
didn't mean it, but I just got triggered.
That's sigaw.
I just got triggered. And I
Why?
just wanted to-
Commercial break.
Good morning. We're gonna go get food. And then we're gonna go outside.
Master station crew, remain in your position. Master station crew, remain in your position.
Oh my gosh, it's been years since I stepped into the lounge. When the lamb. Wow. We're gonna go to a water taxi, and it's very, 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 very hot. Like so hot. So yeah. Guys, good evening. Is it our fourth reservation?
There is a fourth reservation.
Fourth reservation. And our theme for today is flower. Florally.
Sa buffet.
Yes. Buffet style.
Down level lang ito.
So yes.
Ikaw na mag-ask na. Pwede. Ayan, dito, picture tayo.
Oh, yung ano, nag-highlight.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Pretty food.
Sarap.
Ano to ulit?
Pork loin.
Pork loin. Pork loin na? Walang naman.
Dito tayo! Hey!
Everybody, everybody, clap your hands. Happy
Birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy. I'm gonna prosecute you.
Spray na lang po. White sauce yan.
Sing it! Sing it!
I love the sauce.
is this? 6. Day 6. Last port day. And we are in Bahamas. How do you feel, Jamal?
Depressed.
We're all depressed,
But
guys.
we have vitamin D above us.
Thank you,
Bright,
God.
Sunny. So we slaying the day today. Wow.
Yes. Last night.
I don't know.
Thank you, Jamal.
Ano sa kung Loki?
I love lobster.
You love lobster?
Ooh. Dig in, everybody.
Uy, bosin nyo yan.
Busog na ako. Tinignan ko.
Bosin mo yan. Dahil nagaganto dito ka. Purple pa.
Yes. Perfect. So, yeah.
Bakit ito ang mga talaga tayo?
Hello.
Last day. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, room.
Bye, room.
You will be missed.
Bye, Shaman.
Bye, view.
yung mga ano mo.
Bye, room.
7 days.